In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully use your seller account as a landing page. So if you're a content creator, digital marketer, vendor, ads expert, and have been looking for where to run a free ads to, this video is for you, because by the end of this session, you will learn how to navigate effortlessly through Seller, how to upload your course online, and how to use seller accounts as a free landing page, and how to make good deeds closing on Seller. The good news is that you are not only going to sell to people around you, you are going to sell to the world, because Seller has more than 50 countries and several languages registered on it. So the earlier you get this masterpiece, the better for you. Without me wasting much of our time, let's get into the class. So the first thing that you do is to go to your browser and type www.selar.com. Okay, so it will now show you where you are to start. Just click on start selling with Seller. So in case you have not created an account before, I have made a video on how to set up your account and do your verification. So I'm going to attach it on the part of this video, so go and watch it. But here we are going to concentrate on how to add up your course, or maybe how to add up your product on Seller dashboard and sell. Okay, so we are not going to go by walking you through how to set up your account. So we are not going to do that today. So after you have created your account, you just log in and click on add product. So from here, once you click on add product, it's going to bring you to this place. So we have several things: digital product, service, courses posted on Seller. We have ticket and master class. We have stream online. So we have plenty things. We have service. Okay, so any of them that you want to upload, you will click on it and click on next. Okay, so for instance, if you want to add this service, what we'll just simply do is to click on next, and it will take us to where we are going to fill in our details. We have physical products, we have flexible subscriptions, we have plenty of other things that is embedded, or services or products that are available on Seller. So what we have to do first now is choose the best course, or the best product that represents what we want to sell. If it is digital product, it's fine. If it is a physical product, if it is service, just click on it and click next. Okay, so what we are going to do is digital product, so just click on it and click next. Okay, so now you say add a product details. So we are going to scroll through everything so that you see how it is. So you have image. This image is maybe your banner, maybe your graphics, let's say graphics design, or maybe something that you just want to, maybe your flyer, or maybe poster, anything. So your name of product, the price. Okay, so we'll now say the next thing is show strike out original price. Those times that let's say Jumia is doing discount prices, you'll be seeing the old price, they'll strike it out, and you'll see the current price is the same thing here. So let's just go through it. So okay, so give buyers access to a file. So if you turn on this, you have to upload downloadable file, or maybe read-only file, that's PDF. So you have to upgrade it. So let's go and edit our stuff. So the first thing is the image. Okay, so you can choose from either your photo library, or maybe take a picture, or maybe upload from your file. Let's check our file. We're going to navigate all through of them. So now we have to check through our pictures. That's our photo gallery. So just go through your pictures, wherever you save the documents that I want to use as your flyer or as your image. Just get it. If it is from your drive, if it is from your picture, you just do it. So the next is the name of your product. Let's name it skill acquisition training SAT. Okay, skill acquisition training SAT. Okay, so after that, the next thing is the price, the sale price. Remember, we are in Nigeria, so we're going to put our currency, our own naira. So it's just like Stephanie that automatically convert it to other people's currency. Okay, so once you put your own price, any other person from another country that want to buy it, it will be converted to their own price, so they are going to pay in their own price. So now show strike out original price. So I'm going to put that the original price here is 10,000. So it will just strike out the original price and show the promo price, maybe promo, maybe discount, or what have you they will call it, is fine. So here you are to describe your cost as much as possible. Explain what your cost is. That is enticing. You can paint it any way that you want it, so that anybody that reads through it will understand and feel maybe engaged or interested. Explain as much as you could, so that your buyer will see why he want to buy your course. Okay, so I'm not going to explain everything like that. I'm just going to give a little example here so that we'll move on. Okay, skill acquisition training sites is a well organized training, so blah 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 blah. So what have you, anything. So ensure that you just explain as much as possible, so that your clients will see reason to buy your course. Okay, so we are moving on. So the next thing now is for you to choose your category. Okay, just go through it. We have health, we have business, we have arts and craft, faith, professional, lifestyle, others, fashion and wears, anything. Just go through it and choose the best category that your course represents. Okay, that your course is in line with. You can just choose it, for their grouping and what have you. Okay, so just choose your most convenient category. So after that, after you choose your category, you have to choose your sub category. Okay, ensure that you choose categories that are okay by you, and that seller can be able to link up your own course with. Okay, so after that, you have to go down to, we have more details, or have upsell and cross sales, have advanced options, or have custom checkout form. Okay, so from there you can still change your products here. So have pre-order. Okay, this pre-order release date is the date, like if you want people a time that it will be it will come up live, you can just choose it. They'll put the date for you. Okay, but most times I off it. Now it say give buyers access to a file. If it is something they can be able to download on their port, just after the person makes payment, you can be able to download it. From there you upload it. Okay, from your drive, or maybe from your pictures. If it is something they are to read there, read only file, that's PDF, you will still have to upload it here. But most times, if you don't want them to have access to that file in the portal, in that platform, just click on this, automatically redirect the buyers to an external URL after. Okay, so what you have to do here is for you to now copy your landing page. Let's say after they make their payment, you have to put maybe your WhatsApp link, or maybe your YouTube link, or maybe your Telegram group, or maybe your WhatsApp group, where the course is actually going to take place, where you have uploaded the course. Okay, say with this option, your customers are redirected after a purchase too. Okay, so after they make their purchase, they are now redirected to another place where the course is actually going to take place. Remember, it should not be a paid file. It should not be where after they make their purchase here, you now redirect them to where they are going to make another payment before they will have access to the course. Remember, they have bought the course here. So what they are just going to do is, once they make their payment, this link will be available for them. They will click it and maybe join the group, maybe go direct to the Telegram group, or maybe go direct to the YouTube group, or maybe go to your website where you have uploaded the course. That is what this file is. And after that, you just click on create. And yes, our skill acquisition training site is live. Okay, so I hope you can see your product link is, so you can copy it. You can copy that product link and paste it on any of your advertisements. Maybe if you are running ads on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, or Google ads, or anything, just copy this your link. Once you copy this your link, you can paste it there if anybody clicks the link, it is automatically going to run the person down here. That is how they use Selar as a landing page. Instead of putting just your number for people to test you, maybe running you direct to WhatsApp, forming group and all that, no, just run them straight to this landing page, to this Selar account with this link. They can click the link and it will automatically bring them to this place. They read through it. The person want to buy the course, the person will buy the course, and we have access to the course direct. If the person does not want to buy the course, the person will back off without you wasting your energy and all these things. So this is how to effectively run ads using your Selar as a landing page. You can use this your Selar as, imagine a course that you have clicks up to 50 and let's say 10 to 20 purchase from each ad. You know how much you'll be making. So you can successfully run your ads using Selar as a landing page. So I believe that with this you can be able to effectively use your Selar account, know how to navigate through it, and how you can be able to use it as a landing page, how to upload your courses or services for free and make a good deed using just your free Selar account. So if you enjoy this lecture, don't forget to click the like, subscribe for more, turn on the notification so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be notified. Thank you. Bye.